Hello everyone. Today we are going to create a super fun Python mini project called Guess the Number game. In this video, you will learn how to use loops, conditionals, and random numbers, also in just a few lines of Python code. So first I need to show you how this project look like. So I need to run this project. After run this project, you see now here print welcome to guess number game. And it also shows choose a number between 1 and 100 and you have only 7 attempts to guess it correctly. So enter your guess. So I guess start with my guess is 50. So I choose 50 and it shows too high number. Try a lower number. So I can choose 40 again and again I choose 40 and it shows too high. Try a lower number. So I can choose here 30. So I choose 30, then it shows too low. Try a higher number. So our guess is between 30 and 40. So I can choose again 35 and our attempt left is 4. So I can okay again I choose 35 and it shows try a lower number. So I can choose 33 and again it shows try a higher number. So last one is left 34. So I guessed 34 and it shows congratulations, you guessed it right. So let's get started to create this game. So first we need to import random module. So I can use import random. Basically import random allow pythons to generate random number. After that we need to print the displaying the game intro. So we can use print and simply print here welcome to the guest game. Guess the number game. And here I can choose emoji. This you can choose according to your choice. After that we need to print again and we can simply write choose a number between 1 to 100. And after that again we need to print here and simply you can you can write here you have only 7 attempt to guess the number correctly. Basically this three print statement tells the player what the game is about. And after this we need to create for secret number. We can use random dot randint. Using random dot randit, Python secretly picks a number between 1 and 100 using random dot randint function. And after that we need to use attempt is equal to 7. Here we give the player 7 chances to guess the right number. If wrong guess, will reduce attempt minus 1. After that we need to creating a loop. So I can choose while loop and we can use attempt greater than equal to 0. Okay, it means as long as the player still has attempt left, the game continues. After that we need to take player guess. So we can create and simply enter your guess. After that we need to compare guess number and with secret number. So first I can use if guess is equal to secret number, then simply print congratulations, uh, you guess it right. So here I can use triple is equal to, so I remove one of this. And after that we need to simply choose break. Okay, basically this condition checks if the player guess matches the right secret number, then simply print congratulations, you guess it right, and terminate the program. After that we need to handle lower and higher guesses. So we can use elif and pass guess less than secret number, then simply print too high, sorry too low, and simply use try a higher number and simply use else and print too high. and simply use try a lower number. Here, if guess less than the secret number, then Python says too low, try a higher number. And if it's greater, Python says too high. This gives the player a clue for next attempt. So that, after that, we need to create a logic to reduce attempts after each wrong guess. So we can simply use, and we use attempt is equal to attempt minus 1. So here we can use attempts minus 1. So here we can use attempt is equal to attempt minus 1 to simply print and pass using f string attempts left and simply pass your attempt. Okay, this helps to every wrong guess. We reduce one attempt using attempt minus 1. And after this, we need to create for player. When player runs out of attempt, then simply print game over. So again, we can use uh, use if attempt is equal to 0, then simply print game over. The number was simply pass. Here we can forward f string and simply pass your secret number. Basically, this helps if user all 7 chances and still does not guess correctly, then game ends and Python reveals the secret number. So our project is completed now. Let's run and checks it's work perfectly or not. So I can again guess 50, start with 50, and it shows try a higher number. So I can choose 60, and again it shows try a higher number. So I can choose 70. So try a higher number again. So I can 80, try a higher number. So again I can choose 90, try a higher number. Again I choose 100, try a lower number. So I can choose again. So I can this time I can choose 99. So game over, the number was 92. So that's it. This is our project and you have successfully built this. Thanks for watching.